The village has been flooded with chocolate. What do we do now?
Hey Naruto, what's to do? Let's eat free chocolate all day and enjoy.
Hey, Sasuke, look how many buckets I brought from home.
So let's fill all the buckets with chocolate. Then we'll spend a whole month eating only chocolate.
In that case, I should also fill several buckets with chocolate.
Wow! All the villagers are coming here to get chocolate. I have to do something fast.
Hey guys, nobody eat this chocolate. Actually, this isn't chocolate.
Really? So you want to make fools of us by taking all the chocolate home?
You idiot, look at the news.
Breaking news. What the villagers are eating today, thinking it's chocolate, isn't actually chocolate at all, but manure, which leaked from a nearby factory and spread throughout the village.
Wait, so all we're eating is poop?
It tasted good.